Dunkin' Donuts. Huh, liquor shop's open, that's surprising. That's where I bowl in a bowling league. Ogdensburg Bowl. Unfortunately, because it's coronavirus, it's closed down to further notice, and I bowl every Wednesday night in the league. Big bowling pins. Sags, I enjoy bowling. We're in third place with 5 weeks left. This is the back of it. It's got a bar on it. In there, I mean. I usually park out back here. And like always, got the dog. Yeah, there's the back door. There's 20 lanes in there. Yeah, it's weird seeing a Friday night. This side closed down because they got leagues on Friday nights there. Yeah, it's sad. Yeah, women's leagues in the front, men's leagues in the back on Wednesdays. Yeah, there's Buster's. It's a nice place to eat. Unfortunately, it's closed down because of this coronavirus. I don't know if you can get takeouts there or not. Of course, McDonald's you can just drive through. But I'm surprised the liquor shop is open. That's weird. I wouldn't think they would, because it's not, something people really need. Yeah, see the big pins? So who knows? This is a short little video. Over and out.